As the world leader in recreational marine propulsion, Mercury MerCruiser is proud to introduce Axius, the world's first fully intuitive piloting system for your stern drive powered boat. Featuring twin, individually articulating MerCruiser Bravo 3 stern drives, Axius combines proven MerCruiser power with an incredibly responsive joystick docking system. Since there is no traditional tie bar connecting the two drives, they are allowed to turn independently of each other. This articulation is what allows Axius-powered boats to move directly port, starboard, or at any angle, and even rotate in its own length, all with a simple movement of the joystick. Let's watch what happens as the joystick is operated. When the joystick is moved to the right or starboard side, the drives independently steer in two different directions while simultaneously thrusting in forward and reverse. As a result, the boat moves directly starboard, a movement typically restricted to boats with bow and stern thrusters. Similarly, the drives steer independently to move the boat to port or the left. Now the joystick is moved forward. And as you can see, the boat responds by moving at a rate controlled by how far the joystick is moved. The joystick is now directed to the back or stern of the boat, so the drives shift into reverse and smoothly move the boat backward. Need to move at an angle, such as forward and starboard or forward and port? Axius directs your boat to move precisely at your command. Axius also gives your boat the ability to turn within its own length, since the independently articulating drives create additional thrust and leverage. With Axius, even the most challenging docking situations, like traversing through tight spaces and parallel docking, become much less stressful. Even so, this new level of control and maneuverability is just the beginning of what Axius has to offer. So make sure to contact your MerCruiser representative today to get the whole story on the all-new MerCruiser Axius.